Hey everyone! Tired of Roblox lagging on your PC? In this quick video, I will show you how to fix it and get a smooth gameplay. First, we need to make sure Windows is using a graphics card for Roblox. Now, click the Start menu button and type graphics settings. Then, open it. So, click Browse and find the Roblox app on your PC. It's usually called Roblox Player Beta. Select it and add it. Now, click on Option and set it to High Performance. This will use your graphics card for Roblox. Next, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu again and search for the NVIDIA app, then open it. Now, click on the graphics and find Roblox in the list. Then just press the Optimize button. After that, you can close it. Finally, let's change a couple of settings inside Roblox. Open Roblox and start any game. Once you are in the game, open the settings menu. Look for the frame rate option and set it to 240 FPS. Then scroll down. Now set your graphics quality to medium and turn on reduce motion. And that's it. You are all set to enjoy Roblox without any lag. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more simple tips. Thanks for watching.